In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tamil font in Canva. If you've ever tried designing in Canva and realized that the built-in fonts don't support Tamil properly, this walkthrough will show you a simple way to bring in your own Tamil fonts so your text looks clean, readable, and professional. First, open your design in Canva, or create a new one. Once you're inside the editor, click on any text box or add a new text box so that the font options appear at the top of the screen. At the top toolbar, you'll see the current font name. Click on that to open the full font menu. This is where Canva lists all the fonts available in your account, and it's also where you can add your own. Inside this font menu, look for the option that says Upload a font. It's usually near the top or in a section related to brand or custom fonts, depending on your plan. Go ahead and click Upload a font. Canva will then open a file browser window on your computer and wait for you to choose a font file to upload. Before you can upload a Tamil font, you need to download one. To do this, open your web browser and go to Google Fonts. This is a free, trusted library of fonts that you can use for personal and, in many cases, commercial projects. In the search bar on the Google Fonts site, type Tamil. This will filter the results to show fonts that support the Tamil script. Take a moment to scroll through the available Tamil fonts and preview how they look. You can click on each font to see different weights and styles, and you can usually type your own sample Tamil text to check how it renders. When you find a font you like, look for the download option. This will save the font files, usually in a zip folder, onto your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the font file inside the folder. You'll typically be looking for files with extensions like TTF or .otf. Now, go back to Canva, where the Upload a Font window is still open, and select that Tamil font file. Confirm the upload and wait a moment while Canva processes it. After it's uploaded, your Tamil font will appear in your font list, usually under Uploaded Fonts or a similar section. Select it, type your Tamil text in the text box, and it should now display using your newly added Tamil font.